1969 Ford Falcon Futura. Four-door sedan. I believe this color would have been considered lime gold. Black vinyl interior. Let's take a look at this front bumper. Headlight surrounds, grille. You can see the headlights are more modern, high intensity headlight. Going to be brighter than the originals. Something else I want to let you know about this vehicle. It will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. So I pointed out where the paint shows its age a little bit there, a little thin in that spot. Take a look up and down the passenger side. Riding on steel wheels. Wheel covers, radial tires. Mentioned the black vinyl interior. Still very original. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Dual exhaust. Car sounds good, that 302 underneath the hood, and that is the way this car would have been produced back in 1969, was with a 302 in it originally. Recent service work done to this vehicle, wheel cylinders, all 4 corners, and brakes also. Got a little paint fade here from excess fuel at fill-up. And there's some imperfections in the paint. And overall, it has a nice shine to it. But there are some imperfections. Fun car to get out, take for a cruise, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. You don't see a lot of these. I can't think of the last time I've had a 69 Falcon come through. Unique, especially in classics. Take a look at the seating area. About black vinyl, nice shape. No rips, tears, or holes. One thing I am going to mention, this is fussy at startup. You got to make sure that you're in park, and sometimes it needs just a little pressure on the shift column to make sure you're in park. That way it fires up, neutral safety switch thing. But it'll start fine. You just got to make sure that you are in park good. So we're going to fire this up here a second. Show you the top of the dash quick. Good shape. Odometer reads 72,392, believed to be original miles by the previous owner. Unfortunately, once the vehicle is a certain age, it doesn't stay on the title. It gets marked exempt. But judging by the looks of the car on the other side of the engine, on the side of the hood, engine bay itself, I wouldn't be surprised if that is original. I want to point out that one crack. I've already seen it when I went by on the dash. AM radio. Okay. Works fine. Check this out. Still the original safety precaution sticker. That would have been placed in there from the factory. They have added a little USB port and cigarette port charger underneath the dash there. That's kind of cool. Listen to this. Sounds good. Headliner, all intact, also looking good. Did have the wipers working also, horn works. Listen to that. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open. We'll check out the engine bay and wrap this video up. Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. Here's that engine bay, the V8. It's like a newer master cylinder back here also. And again, that 302 is paired up with an automatic transmission. Battery disconnect over here. In case you're storing it. I want to turn that off in between times of driving it. Some aftermarket horns. And again, the horn does work. 1969 Ford Falcon Futura. 4-door sedan. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1969 Ford Falcon. Very period looking green paint with color matched wheels and hubcaps. This is a smooth running car. Blinker indicators are both working. Good performance from the engine. Our blower motor works.
Tongue, you know, like when you're looking at envelope.
Our radio works. And our wipers are also functioning. Getting a little bit of wind noise from the driver's door seal or window seal. Very smooth ride. It feels like low miles. It says 72,390 on the odometer. Steering wheel might be slightly clocked to the right. I'd let go of the wheel. She goes a little bit to the left. That could just be tire pressure. These are from storage. Brakes work good. Corners well. This does have a power pod mounted down here with USBs and car power ports. Good running engine in this car, very smooth. Black interior and exterior in very good shape. Definitely want to check out this Falcon at your neat